Boy, that's really pretty down there. Oh, this looks kind of slick. Yeah, this is okay, I'd say. Yeah, I don't know if I'm able to get across this or not. Remember last time I did, there was a shore on that side I could walk along, and don't really look like that now yet, so yeah, I don't see much. Okay, I see a few things here. Oh. No. That has a nice color. I mean, make that into a single pendant. Saw a piece of quartzite, I thought, here too. Oh yeah, right there. Yep. Close, but what's that? I could make a cool pendant. Oh, that's cool. Huh. That's one little spot. Found a number of things here, so lightning jasper. Kind of cool, but not enough color for me. Oh, this one's bigger than I thought. The end's kind of cool. I think I'll just park that one. A lot of small stuff here to look at. And this little piece that jasper looks like it could make an interesting subtle pendant. And I found this jasper that's got a really pretty green right there, and the rest of it's got some color. I think it could be cool, sliced up, made into pendants. So I'm gonna grab it, I think, on my way back. Just set it there, because it looks like I can walk down a decent ways, and anything I don't have to carry is good. Ah, yes. Here's a piece of quartzite. It's kind of small, but looks kind of cool. Oh yeah. I think I want to wash this one off here. Yeah. Nice piece of quartzite. Well, I found this greenish one down here. I think I'll probably keep. It's kind of deep. Man, that water is cold. A lot of snow melt off water. Okay, I see a couple of more quartzite pieces. Looks like quartzite. This, that's quartzite also. Let's see. Yep. And that quartzite. Oh, that's like an agatized. I've seen this jasper maroon. I don't know, maroon just doesn't do a whole lot for me. Yeah, I found a cool little piece of, where is it? Right there. Oh, yeah. Of jasper. Green and kind of a maroon. Looks like a bone. Yep. Been cut. There's somebody's dinner. It's a bright little piece of red jasper. Not very big, but big enough, I'd say. I'm going to try to pick up a little more green rocks this year. Wow, that's bright. I'd like to find a big sibling to that. A nice color, but so small. Okay, I picked up a couple here. I got this one that looks like it might have a pretty cool pattern inside if you sliced it. And I see this red one here. I'm hoping it's bigger than it looks. It's big enough for a pendant. So that's good. Working my way down here. Okay, just spotted a really bright quartzite agate. Oh, yeah. I don't know about this. Kind of cool. Probably keep that. Yeah, there's some driftwood in here. I haven't gone up there, but I see one right here that's pretty interesting. Part of a branch on like an old growth tree. And it's pretty waterlogged, so it's not as heavy as a rock, but I don't have a whole bunch in here, so I think I can go ahead and take it. I don't think I can go too much farther. So yeah, I think I'm gonna park my bucket here and just kind of walk around here. Pretty change of elevation here. Well, I did find one more piece of quartzite. Here in a second. Right there, you can see it. Oh! And I think I'm going to head back